2 years ago, we created Zero Pump, the world's lightest portable pump, to help you quickly build your sleep system effortlessly, even in the harshest environments. Since then, it has journeyed with 200,000 adventurers, from mountains to deserts, into the unknown. Now, meet the Zero Pump 2, lighter, stronger, ready for more. The new generation was shaped by your feedback, refined by breaking down every component. Through countless iterations, we crafted a better version in every detail. Its fully upgraded aluminum unibody is crafted with advanced precision, engineered for elegance and accuracy. While maintaining strength and reliability, we achieved a 15% reduction in weight. Because in the outdoors, every gram matters. The upgraded BMS system and all-new battery allow it to operate reliably, even in the extreme cold. The new pump core with our patented air vortex system boosts overall performance by 40%. Small in form, but packed with surprising power. No matter where you are, inflation and deflation are smooth, fast, and effortless. One battery, multiple devices, from air pumps to lanterns and more, power everything with one system. Simplicity brings flexibility. The lighter your gear, the freer you move. Through every strike and every test, we create not just a piece of equipment, but a trusted companion. We've poured in everything, only to remove the unnecessary and leave the essence. Zero Pump 2, crafted for ultralight, built for adventure.